Hello and welcome. My name is Mehdi Akku and I'm a software developer with over 15 years of experience. In this course, I'll teach you how to create Telegram applications using Python and Pyrogram. I've chosen this combination because Python is a popular and easy to learn language, and Pyrogram is a well-designed and easy-to-use Telegram library that allows you to write Telegram bots and apps in no time. You will learn about Telegram updates and how to handle them, how to send media files, how to manage groups, adding database support, and many more. Learning Telegram development opens up a massive opportunity for you as a developer, as Telegram is one of the most popular and innovative messaging apps with hundreds of millions of users worldwide. So, what are you waiting for? Buy the course now and start your Telegram development journey today.